Well, it's the year 2023 after our Lord died, and we're in league 24, and I've been praying every day for the Lord to come help me finish this truck. But here we go. We're a little bit further along. It's just bolting things together. Decided to go a different route here in the front. Rather than a pro stock looking cut the horns off for the bumper, I'm going to put the original lower valance on and put a bumper on, which means I got to spray that part. I've already sprayed the pro stock looking valance, but that's the way I want to go. I just kind of don't feel like cutting those horns off this expensive frame just so the truck looks cooler. We got things kind of bolted up, doors on. And I go around the lift here a little bit. Running boards in place. Everything's kind of either on or in a mock-up. I got to get this thing out of here. I got another project I'm got to do a little bit of work on, so I got to get it running again. So I started connecting up the wiring this morning. And that's a rat's nest. If anybody wants to know what a rat's nest looks like, let me show you. That's a rat's nest. But there's kind of a walk around of where we're at. And again, just started connecting up a few wires inside here. This got to be all tidied up again, but for right now it doesn't really matter. But that's kind of where we're at. This is week 24. Got to go buy another gazillion fasteners, to put fender washers where fender washers needs to be. This is the original fender, and this thing bolted up beautifully on the left side. But this fender was an aftermarket fender, and this is a POS, because right there you can see that every hole is like a half a hole off. The other fender went on perfect. You couldn't ask for better. So it's amazing that someone hasn't corrected this, because those are just cutouts after they stamp it. So I'm hoping we don't have any problems down here where I start connecting up the valance and stuff. But that fender over there, which is original, those holes fall in line perfectly all the way down the fender, including where I've got that screwdriver stuck in. Anyways, folks, that's kind of where we're at. It's taken a lot of cussing and swearing to get to this point. And so I'm enlisting the help of the Lord, or I might have to call Garage Squad. Anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I'll answer every comment that I see. They all flag me.